channel. So as you can probably tell, today I'm going to be vlogging, which I am so excited for. I think it's been over a year since I last did a vlog on my channel, and I know a lot of you really enjoyed them, so I think it's time to bring them back. And currently it is Wednesday, May 19th. I actually just got back to my apartment here in Richmond yesterday. Towards the end of classes and finals, I had gone home to see my family because I hadn't seen them since January, since we didn't get a spring break. So that was really nice to see them. But now that I'm back and done with school, I really am ready to get some work done on some projects that I just haven't had time for during the school year. And so specifically today, I want to do some zero waste DIYs and some other sustainability related activities, because I feel like I haven't been as connected with that as I would like to be. For those of you who don't know, I started going zero waste over 2 years ago in January of 2019. And of course I was super passionate about it when I first started out, and that naturally, you know, sometimes trickles out over time, but especially with the pandemic, that kind of put a little bump in my road. Just little things like not being able to bring my own cup to coffee shops, bulk bins being closed, just all those little things. I feel like I haven't been having the same personal impact that I used to have and that I would like to have. And I'm definitely like, don't beat myself up over that. Obviously all of that was out of my control, and I've also been making strides in other areas of my journey, such as, you know, just continuing to learn more, starting to make more content about it. So there's been some good and some not so good, but today I'm just really feeling ready to try some new things and just really reconnect with my own personal journey. So that is exactly what I'm going to be doing today. I have a list of things I want to try to get done, and I thought it'd be nice to take you all along with me so you can see what I am up to. So we are just coming up on 10:30 here. I'm kind of wrapping up my morning routine. I didn't get a super early start this morning because I'm just trying to get my sleep schedule back on track as well. But now I'm going to go work out, and then we can jump into all those fun things I have planned. So let's get to it. I just finished my workout. It was only 15 minutes long, and it said it was for beginners, so I thought it would be pretty easy. Boy, was I wrong! That was not easy. You guys can probably tell the camera is like shaking so much because that is how much my arm is shaking. Maddie from MadFit, she will get you. I will link down below the videos I did if you want to try them out, but I'm gonna warn you now, it's not that easy. Alright, so I am back looking a little bit less sweaty and ready to get started on the first thing I had planned for today. So as you can see, I have a bunch of glass jars sitting here with me. I think we can all agree that glass jars are kind of a staple of zero waste living because they can just be used for so many different things, whether it's storing foods you buy in bulk, storing leftover foods, regrowing veggies, propagating plants, making DIYs. The list just goes on and on. And so you can definitely thrift mason jars if that's the route you want to go, but I prefer to just reuse jars from things like peanut butter and pasta sauce because I already paid for the jar when I bought it, so it's just a little more economical this way, and it also saves a jar from going to recycling or a landfill. But the one drawback to reusing jars from food is that they usually have labels on them that, as you can see, often don't come off quite so nicely when you just try to peel them off. So I'm going to try soaking them in some hot water and dish soap to try to get the labels off. And obviously this isn't really necessary. You can definitely use the jars with the labels on. I've been doing that with most of these, but I think especially when you have some kind of mismatched ones, it just looks a little nicer if you get the label off and they look really clean and pretty. So this is really just for aesthetic purposes, but I thought I would give it a shot. So I'm gonna fill up this bowl with some hot water and a little bit of dish soap. We use a solid one now, but this is just a bit of, oh, actually this is hand wash, not dish soap, but I'm hoping it's gonna work the same. But like I was saying, we use like solid dish soaps and hand washes, but we have this one left over, so I'm gonna use this and we're gonna see how this goes. First off, let me just say I am so sorry if my hair looks crazy in this video. I promise I'm getting a haircut soon and I'm going to try to sort out this whole bang situation. But I just also wanted to share with you all a couple of little things I've been doing over the past few weeks. So not just today, to kind of get back to sustainability. So the first thing has been regrowing some spring onions. I first tried this last summer and I posted about it on my Instagram, and it is so easy to do. You just cut them down to like about 1 inch and then stick them in some water in a jar, and then you just have to change out the water every couple of days and it'll grow new shoots out of the top. So really excited to be trying this again with spring onions, and I definitely want to branch out to some other veggies soon. And as you can see, I decided to leave the label on this jar because I thought it looked kind of cute. And then the other thing I've been doing is I've been eating a lot of strawberries now that it's strawberry season, but I've been eating the leaves, the top of the strawberry as well. If you don't know, they are totally edible, and I've known that for a little while, but I just still wasn't eating the leaves because like, oh, they're kind of yucky. But as long as you cut off a little bit of the berry as well, it pretty much totally drowns out the taste. So you can literally just pop them in your mouth, and it's great because you don't have to waste any of the fruit. So those have just been 2 extra little things I've been doing that I want to share with you. Straw, of course, and I also have this box of zero waste goodies, so I thought we could do a little haul. I ordered this stuff on Earth Day and I just haven't had a chance to share it with you all. I love ordering zero waste and sustainable products on Earth Day because lots of eco-friendly stores do sales on that day, so it's great to get the products you need at a little bit of a discounted price. So I ordered from 2 places. The first one was Stasher Bag, and as you can see, I've already started using the item I got. So if you don't know what Stasher bags are, they're basically a reusable version of plastic Ziploc bags, so you can use them for food storage as well as travel and so many different things. So as you can see, I've already started using mine to store some greens that were starting to go bad. So I froze them while I was away at home. I have some bags in other sizes from them, but I didn't have one in their sandwich size, which I feel like is kind of the perfect medium-sized bag, so I really wanted to get one. So I ordered this nice like peachy colored one for myself, and I also picked one up for my sister. And then I also ordered from Package Free Shop. You all know they're my go-to just for getting lots of different items. So the first thing was just a restock. So I got a set of 4 bamboo toothbrushes. These are from Brush with Bamboo, and a set of 4 is perfect because I switch mine out every 3 months, so it'll last me a perfect year until Earth Day when I order again. So I just got 4 of these, and when I'm done using them, I love to use them for cleaning. They're so great to get around faucets and just give your toothbrush a little bit longer of a life. And then the other thing I restocked on was, let me dig it out here, was some razor blades. I use a safety razor, so you just replace the blade every now and then. I believe I got a set of 20 because it came with 2 of these boxes, so these will probably last me for over a year because I switch them out about every month or so. These are from the brand Albatross, and they also send you a little paper envelope to store your blades in after you're done using them because they have a recycling program for them as well. So I'm still in the process of kind of collecting a good amount before I send them back, but I should be able to do that pretty soon. And then I got 2 things that are new to me, which I'm really excited for because, like I was saying earlier, you know, I'm wanting to take my personal impact a bit further. So the first thing I got was a cheesecloth. You can use these as a strainer for making oat milk, and that's something I've been wanting to start doing, making my own plant-based milks at home so I don't have to buy so many in those plastic cartons from the store. So this one is like unbleached, it's like certified organic and bio-based and just all of those good things. So I'm actually hopefully going to start on that oat milk after I finish up this haul, so I'm really excited to start using this. And then the last thing I got is another thing I've been wanting for a really long time, but they're a little bit expensive, so I definitely wanted to wait until there was a sale. And that is a Guppy Friend bag. So if you don't know what they are, and because you probably can't tell just by this is a bag that you put your clothes in when you wash them if they're made out of synthetic materials. Because when you wash clothing that is made of synthetic or plastic materials, it actually sheds those and it can get into our waterways. So by washing your clothes in one of these bags, it actually like collects the microplastics in it, so you can just clean them out of the bag and dispose of them properly in a trash can. So I'm just really excited for this. That is everything I got. Obviously there's a couple more toothbrushes in there and everything, but hope you guys enjoyed this little haul. I'll try to link down below everything I bought. But let's go make some oat milk. Alright, welcome back to my kitchen. Sorry this is a bit of an odd angle, but like I said, I want to start trying to make my own oat milk. And I tried this once about 2 summers ago, I think, and it came out pretty well. Like the oat milk was good, but the thing with making your own milks at home is you end up with the leftover pulp. And so I used it to make cookies, which came out well, but I was like, I just can't really see myself taking the time every week or every other week to make milk and to make cookies on top of that, because obviously I don't want to just throw out the pulp. But I've realized in the time since then, I can probably just eat the pulp as oatmeal. It probably won't taste like as good as real oatmeal, but if I'm only eating it like once every week or every other week, I'm sure I can get over that. So I figured I would give making my own oat milk another try. I already have all the ingredients laid out. Ideally, I would be getting oats from like a bulk bin at Whole Foods, but you still can't bring your own bag, so I'm just buy the largest container I can find at the grocery store, but hopefully in the future I can start getting those in bulk again. So I'm just going to have the recipe I found, since I still have some leftover almond milk that was just store-bought. So I guess let's get mixing it. And then this is the jar I have. My boyfriend thrifted this a while ago, but he said I could have it. I see these in thrift stores all the time, and I thought this would be perfect because it has a really nice seal, so it should keep the milk pretty fresh. So obviously this is a little big since I didn't do a ton of milk, but I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in here and try not to spill any. I need to get a funnel, but I just don't have one yet. Alright, so this is how much I got. Like I said, I have the recipe I was following, which I will link down below for you all, of course, but let's do a little taste test. I didn't have the vanilla extract, so this might be a little funky. Okay, sorry if anything has changed. My camera stopped recording for some reason, but let's do a little taste test. That's good, even without the vanilla extract. It doesn't have a bad flavor. It's definitely more watery than a store-bought milk, but I'm probably just going to be using this for like cereal and oatmeal, which I think it'll work fine in that. I think like if I'm adding milk to tea or recipes, I'll still probably go for store-bought milk, but I still think that like making this regularly could still help me cut down on the amount of store-bought containers I'm gonna buy. So I'm really excited for this. I'm gonna clean out the pulp, and then I need to look up how you're supposed to wash a cheesecloth. That had not occurred to me. Alright, it's been a while since I checked in, but I went on a walk and picked some flowers as you saw. It was just a quick little walk around my neighborhood, but it was still really nice to just get out of the house. I find going on walks to be so beneficial for my mental health, but also really integral to my sustainability journey, because even though I'm just walking around a pretty urban area, there's houses and buildings, it still helps me connect with nature and with the earth, which I think is so important because you have to be connected to what you're trying to save in order to have the motivation to make these lifestyle changes. So I really try to get outside whenever I can. I definitely want to make more of an effort to do so going forward, and sometimes when I'm on my walks I'll also pick up trash, which is just another great eco-friendly thing you can do. But since then I've been working on a couple of other things. I'm actually in the process of ordering my boyfriend's birthday gift because we both have our birthdays coming up and he already knows what I'm getting him, so it's okay that he's gonna watch this video and see. Alright, so Cameron told me that he wanted AirPods for his birthday, and I knew I could find a way to get those in a more sustainable way, so I went to this website called backmarket.com. Basically, they sell refurbished electronics and appliances, things like that. They have tons of different things, as you can see: phones, computers, laptops, as well as AirPods. Like I said, I'm going to be getting him. So I've never ordered from here before, but I've heard good things, so I'm hoping his AirPods are in good condition and everything, and they work well. And I also want to let you know that I was able to verify that I am a student and get a 5% off discount. So if you're also a student, make sure you go through that process because, you know, we're all about saving money here on this channel as well. And I've also just been working on editing a reel, so I'm hoping I can finish this up and get it posted tonight. It's the second one in my eco-friendly products at Kroger series because obviously I had to work on some eco-friendly content today as well. So if you're interested in checking that out, I will link it down below for you all. But I think I'm going to leave you all here. I pretty much got everything done today that I wanted to, so for the rest of the night I'm just gonna, you know, get some dinner and be chilling, so nothing really sustainability focused. I figured I would wrap the vlog up here, but if you enjoyed watching this, please give this video a thumbs up, as well as subscribe and turn on the post notifications below. I know I always say it, but doing those three things is really the best way you can support my channel, and it seriously means so much to me. You can also go follow me over on Instagram if you want to see that reel, and also if you want to get updates on any of the things I was doing in the video. So, you know, the coffee scrub, the oat milk, any updates on those things will be over on my Instagram, so make sure you're following me over there so you don't miss that. But that's really all I have to say. I hope you all are having a wonderful day, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye!